prepare your senses as Dream Destinations takes you on a journey into the magic of the world's top 10 cabin getaways. Number 10 brings us to the heart of the Appalachian Mountains, to the quaint and cozy Blue Ridge Cabins in North Carolina. With an average price of $100 per night, this is the perfect escape for those seeking solitude and serenity. Nestled amidst lush greenery and blooming rhododendrons, these cabins offer an enchanting view of the majestic mountains. The best time to visit? Experience the breathtaking fall colors in October. Next, at number 9, imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing on the shore. Welcome to the beachfront cabins in Malibu, California. For around $300 a night, you can live in this dreamy abode. With the Pacific Ocean as your backyard, these cabins are a beach lover's paradise. The prime time to visit? Enjoy the endless summer from June to August. 8th on our list is the enchanting forest canopy cabins in the Amazon rainforest, Brazil. For approximately $200 per night, immerse yourself in the heart of the jungle, surrounded by the symphony of exotic birds and wildlife. The best time to visit? Experience the rainforest's full bloom from May to June. At number 7, we find ourselves in the Lapland region of Finland at the luxurious Northern Lights cabins. For about $400 a night, these cabins offer an unobstructed view of the ethereal aurora borealis. The best time to witness this natural spectacle? Brace the cold and venture here between December and March. Next, at number 6, we have the rustic yet modern Mountain View cabins in Banff, Canada. For around $250 a night, these cabins offer a panoramic view of the Rocky Mountains. The prime time to visit? Enjoy the snow-capped mountains from November to April. Moving on to number 5, we find the charming lakefront cabins in Lake District, England. For approximately $150 a night, these cabins offer a serene view of the tranquil lake and rolling English countryside. The best time to visit? Experience the blooming daffodils in the spring from March to May. 4th on our list is the exotic jungle cabins in Bali, Indonesia. For just $100 a night, these cabins offer a unique experience amidst lush tropical greenery and exotic wildlife. The best time to visit? Enjoy the tropical climate all year round, but for the least amount of rain, plan your trip between May and September. Moving into our top 3, at number 3, we have the majestic cliffside cabins in Santorini, Greece. For around $300 a night, these cabins offer breathtaking views of the Aegean Sea and the iconic blue dome churches. The prime time to visit? Experience the Mediterranean summer from June to September. At number 2, we find the luxurious snow cabins in Aspen, Colorado. For about $500 a night, these cabins offer a cozy retreat with snowy mountain views. The best time to visit? Enjoy the winter wonderland from December to February. And finally, our number 1 cabin getaway is the awe-inspiring sky-high cabins in Queenstown, New Zealand. For around $400 a night, these cabins offer panoramic views of the Remarkables mountain range. The prime time to visit? Experience the breathtaking winter landscapes from June to August. And there you have it, folks, the top 10 cabin getaways around the world. Presented by Random Clips, your guide to the mesmerizing, the extraordinary, and the most unique dream destinations.